Ooh, battery's a little low, but luckily I got all the extra batteries. This is the Ernest Hemingway house.
And we have the tour.
Ooh, very nice.
But we're doing a guided tour.
Hi, Kitty.
You want the guided tour? Go in the room on the right. Wait for me. I'll be there. Probably start in any minute.
The old man in the sea. Hey, where's that Ernest Hemingway peephole we were talking about?
All the writers were going to Paris back then. They had one child, and he was a boy named John. John's the father of Margot and Mariel Hemingway, two beautiful actresses.
Hello, Mr. Kitty. Huh? Don't get caught? What, playing with the cat? No. Oh, he said I can have my camera? He said don't record the tour. Ooh. And for those that want to get it up on your phone, I guess, or your camera, whatever, there we go. I guess not. Ooh, that's a study. That's where people would pee. Fancy. Hemingway house. Ooh.
Oh, those are good.
That's some fresh freaking water, man. Cat's just making itself at home.
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Yeah. That's crazy. Like, just his own little personal house. There's stuff that it's like, no. Yeah. Just like freaking out. You look like you got a cape on when you get on that scooter. Ooh, Ernest Hemingway. You can get an Ernest penny. That's where they coined the name a hem penny.
What?
It's a hem penny. It's the Ernest Hemingway penny, a hem penny. Very well known penny. One hem penny. One hem penny. Look at these cats. It's a cat kennel. Look at that one. I don't know if that one's mad or not. Meow. Meow. It's very rainforesty. I dig it. Arnold Schwarzenegger Samuelson. Come on. If you'd like to read any of this, you may just pause your computer. An Ernest Hemingway. Yeah, I know, I screwed up. Sorry, I can still get video of the place. Ooh, moondogs. Ooh, birds on the sand. I like this little joint. Joinerinsky. They're making fresh pastries. Fancy pastries. proper food footage. It's already been eaten. Oh, but look at them breakfast tacos, baby. Even though the steak is from the lovely Alicia. What's her name in the attic? Anne Frank Clugs. Ooh!
I want to go to.
Watch that dude make them. Now I'm gonna eat them.
I haven't been.